Phase 2 of the build of the Mud Truck to Show Truck project vehicle is about to go down. So we have a garage full of parts, as you can see here. Up there on the workbench, I have the fender flares. Over here, I have the roll bars. A lot of interior pieces floating around. And wave hi to my shop help over there. So we're about ready to take this truck out to my friend's shop, Jeff. We're going to go over there, and he is going to assist with what's going on with the phase 2 of the build. So you guys will find out exactly what's going on, everything that he's going to be doing. So let's head on over to Jeff's shop, and I'll meet you there. Well guys, we made it out to Jeff's Auto Body and Custom Shop. That's right, Jeff, I know him from many years ago from when we used to show trucks, but we're going to go in the shop and try and find Jeff, and we're going to go over everything that he's going to do to the truck. So let me go look for Jeff. There's Jeff, the man with the plan. Hey guys, I found Jeff. We're here in his shop, and Jeff is going to be the man behind the plan to rebuild the bodywork on the project truck for me. So we're here in his shop, and just by looking around here, he's got a couple different projects going on. But guys, I want you to meet Jeff, and you guys can run over to his Facebook page. It's Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, because Jeff is also going to post some of the pictures of the build on his site. So what I don't show you, you might check on his site, and vice versa. But you could also follow Jeff on some of the builds that he does. So now that we found Jeff, what do you say we go outside and go over everything that he's going to tackle on the project truck? Well guys, we're all out here at the truck, and let me give you guys a little walk around and what the truck looks like now. You seen it last time with the accessories all on it when I told you I was stripping it down and the truck was coming out here. Well, here's what it looks like without all the accessories on it, and I'm going to show you everything that Jeff is going to be doing to the truck. As you can see, there's a lot of fender rust here that he's going to be taking care of, all down through here and all down the rockers, and up under here. I don't know if you can see the hole. There's a hole there in the cab mounts. There's one on each side that he is going to be taking care of also. We'll go into the interior. We already got it somewhat stripped out. We got a lot of the interior pieces taken out, and this way all we have to do is tear the front seats out and pull the carpet up so he could get to the bodywork for the cab. There's a lot of surface rust here. He's going to be putting on all new sheet metal here on the side of the box. We're going to be getting a new tailgate. I'm going to show you guys this. There's a lot of rust here on the back side of the tailgate. And then once again, we're getting new panels on this side. Cab corners. Probably he's going to check out the inner rockers, but the outer rockers he'll be doing. New doors. We got a lot of surface rust here on the doors that will be taken care of. You can see where I tried patching it. Some new front fenders. And guys, stay tuned to the channel, because we are probably going to be putting an aftermarket bumper on there. I need you guys to comment down below, what bumper do you think would look good on the second gen truck? But remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button so you guys can follow the build and the restore of this second gen project truck. And run over to Jeff's Auto Body and Customs and give Facebook page and give him a big thumbs up, because you guys are going to see a lot of pictures of the build on his channel. So till next time, I'm Joe. This is Jeff. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Jeff's Auto Body and Customs and Wicked Fabz.